In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can recover your deleted notes. You can simply get back your deleted notes after 30 days in just few simple steps. To do this, open up your Notes app. On this page, tap right here and get to your folders. Select this option of recently deleted, which is right here. Then right here, select any notes you would like to recover. Let's say this note right here. Just tap onto the note and then you will select the option of recover and it will get recovered successfully. In the recently deleted folder, it usually takes 30 to 40 days for the notes to permanently get deleted. If you wish to recover your permanently deleted notes after 30 days, just log into your iCloud and head into the section of Notes. Then you will see all the notes that you have deleted even after 30 to 40 days after. Head into your browser and log into your iCloud. That's how easy it is to recover recently deleted notes after 30 days. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.